Welcome back to Healthy Care. Have you ever experienced nerve pain, tingling, or numbness that made even the simplest tasks feel like a challenge? Nerve damage can be life-altering, disrupting the signals between your brain and body, and often bringing discomfort that's hard to ignore. Whether caused by diabetes, injuries, infections, or prolonged pressure, the impact on your daily life can be overwhelming. But what if there was a natural way to support your nerve health and encourage healing? In today's video, we're unveiling 9 powerful drinks that could help repair nerve damage and enhance the health of your nervous system. These beverages aren't just tasty, they're packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds to soothe your nerves, reduce inflammation, and promote regeneration. If you're ready to take control of your nerve health, stick with us. Subscribe to Healthy Care, hit the notification bell, and let's explore these transformative drinks that could bring you relief and vitality. Your path to better nerve health starts right here. 9. Aloe Vera Juice. Aloe Vera Juice is a hidden gem in the world of nerve health remedies, offering a unique combination of hydration and healing properties. Beyond its well-known anti-inflammatory effects, aloe vera contains polysaccharides that help reduce oxidative stress and repair cell membranes, crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of nerve cells. Additionally, it is an excellent source of B vitamins, including B1 thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B6 pyridoxine, and B12 cobalamin. These vitamins are essential for the synthesis of neurotransmitters and the regeneration of the myelin sheath, which is vital for efficient nerve signal transmission. Aloe vera juice also contains trace minerals like zinc and magnesium, which are critical for nerve function. Zinc plays a role in enzyme reactions that protect nerves from oxidative damage, while magnesium helps reduce muscle tension and nerve excitability. Its hydrating nature further ensures that the body's tissues, including nerves, remain supple and well-nourished. For optimal results, consume aloe vera juice in its pure, unsweetened form. Combining it with a splash of citrus juice, such as lemon or orange, can enhance its flavor and boost its vitamin C content, further supporting collagen production for nerve repair. Drinking a small glass around 100 to 150 ml daily is an easy and effective way to incorporate aloe vera juice into your routine and promote long-term nerve health. 8. Dark chocolate cocoa. Dark chocolate cocoa isn't just a comforting indulgence, it's a functional drink for supporting nerve health. Its high concentration of flavonoids, particularly epicatechin, not only protects nerve cells from oxidative stress, but also promotes the growth of new blood vessels, enhancing circulation to nerve tissues. This improved blood flow is essential for repairing damaged nerves and maintaining the integrity of the nervous system. Dark chocolate is also rich in magnesium, a mineral critical for nerve signal transmission and muscle relaxation. Magnesium helps prevent overexcitation of nerve cells, which can lead to pain and nerve fatigue. Additionally, the theobromine in cocoa acts as a gentle stimulant, boosting mood and cognitive function, key factors for managing nerve-related conditions like neuropathy, where mental stress can worsen symptoms. To maximize the health benefits, prepare dark chocolate cocoa with unsweetened almond milk or oat milk, and sweeten with natural alternatives like stevia or honey. A sprinkle of cinnamon or a dash of cayenne pepper can add flavor and enhance circulation, further supporting nerve health. Aim for a cup of dark chocolate cocoa with at least 70% cacao content as an occasional treat to nourish your nervous system while satisfying your sweet tooth. 7. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is one of the most versatile natural remedies for nerve health, offering powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. The bioactive compounds in ginger, such as gingerol and shogaol, not only reduce inflammation but also modulate pain pathways, making it particularly effective for managing conditions like neuropathy or chronic nerve pain. These compounds also help inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which can exacerbate nerve damage and slow the healing process. Another unique benefit of ginger tea is its ability to enhance thermogenesis, or heat production, which improves circulation and ensures that damaged nerves receive an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients. This process supports the regeneration of nerve tissues and speeds up recovery. Ginger's antispasmodic properties further help in reducing muscle stiffness or cramping often associated with nerve-related disorders. For added benefits, ginger tea can be infused with turmeric for a stronger anti-inflammatory effect or peppermint for a cooling sensation that complements its warming properties. Drinking a freshly brewed cup of ginger tea 2 to 3 times a day can provide consistent support for nerve repair, pain relief, and overall wellness. 6. Bone broth. Bone broth is much more than a comfort food. It's a vital drink for those looking to repair nerve damage and strengthen their nervous system. Packed with collagen, bone broth directly supports the repair and maintenance of the myelin sheath, the fatty layer surrounding nerves that ensures proper signal transmission. Without a healthy myelin sheath, nerves are more susceptible to damage and dysfunction, which can lead to conditions like multiple sclerosis. What makes bone broth particularly effective for nerve health is its rich profile of amino acids, including glutamine, which helps repair the gut lining. This is critical since a healthy gut-brain axis plays a major role in nerve health and inflammation control. Additionally, glycine and proline support cellular repair and reduce nerve pain by lowering inflammatory markers in the body. The broth is also an excellent source of trace minerals like zinc and magnesium, which are vital for nerve signal transmission and muscle relaxation. For maximum benefits, prepare homemade bone broth using grass-fed or organic bones to retain the highest levels of nutrients. Simmering the broth for 12 to 24 hours allows for the full extraction of collagen, minerals, and gelatin. Drinking 1 to 2 cups daily, either on its own or as a base for soups, can significantly contribute to the repair and protection of damaged nerves. To enhance its neuroprotective effects, consider adding turmeric, ginger, or garlic during the cooking process for their additional anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 5. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is a time-honored remedy for relaxation, but its benefits for nerve health go far beyond its calming reputation. The active compounds in chamomile, such as apigenin and bisabolol, not only promote relaxation, but also work as natural sedatives to reduce the hyperactivity of nerves that often accompanies conditions like neuropathy. This makes chamomile tea particularly effective for easing nerve pain, tingling sensations, and discomfort caused by inflammation or compressed nerves. In addition to its anti-inflammatory effects, chamomile contains antioxidants that protect nerve cells from oxidative damage. Its ability to lower cortisol levels makes it a perfect evening beverage for stress relief and improved sleep quality. Better sleep plays a crucial role in the body's natural repair mechanisms, including nerve regeneration. For enhanced nerve benefits, combine chamomile with valerian root or lavender for added relaxation and pain-relieving properties. Drinking 2 to 3 cups daily, particularly before bedtime, ensures steady support for the nervous system while creating a soothing bedtime ritual. 4. Blueberry smoothie. A blueberry smoothie isn't just a delicious treat, it's a nutrient-packed powerhouse for nerve health. Blueberries are renowned for their high levels of anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid with potent neuroprotective effects. These compounds work by neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress, both of which are major contributors to nerve damage and degenerative conditions like multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's disease. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of blueberries help combat inflammation that can disrupt nerve function and signal transmission. Blueberries are also rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen production, a key factor in maintaining the structural integrity of the myelin sheath that protects nerves. When combined with spinach, bananas, almond milk, and chia seeds in a smoothie, blueberries create a synergistic blend of antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber. Adding a scoop of flax seeds or a handful of walnuts enhances the omega-3 content, further supporting nerve repair and regeneration. Drinking this smoothie regularly not only nourishes the nervous system but also improves cognitive function and memory, making it a complete brain and nerve health boost. 3. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice stands out as a powerhouse for nerve health due to its unparalleled ability to boost nitric oxide levels. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator, meaning it widens blood vessels to improve circulation. For nerves, this enhanced blood flow translates to increased delivery of oxygen and nutrients, which are vital for repairing and regenerating damaged tissues. In addition to its high nitrate content, beetroot juice is a rich source of folate, an essential B vitamin, that supports the formation of the myelin sheath, a protective layer around nerves that facilitates signal transmission. Furthermore, betalains, the pigments responsible for beetroot's vibrant color, possess powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds protect nerve cells from damage caused by chronic inflammation and oxidative stress. For the best results, opt for fresh, raw beetroot juice without added sugar. To enhance its nutritional profile, combine beetroot juice with other nerve-friendly ingredients like carrots, ginger, or a splash of lemon juice. Drinking a glass of beetroot juice post-exercise can also amplify its benefits, as physical activity increases blood flow, further supporting nerve health. 2. Turmeric golden milk. Turmeric golden milk, a staple in traditional medicine, is a potent drink for repairing nerve damage and enhancing overall nerve health. The key component, curcumin, not only reduces inflammation but also stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, a protein critical for nerve growth and repair. This makes it particularly beneficial for those dealing with conditions like peripheral neuropathy or recovering from nerve injuries. Unlike many remedies, turmeric golden milk is both therapeutic and comforting. Prepared with turmeric, milk plant-based options like almond or coconut milk are common, black pepper, and sometimes spices like cinnamon or ginger. This drink is a sensory delight. Black pepper is crucial as it contains piperine, which increases the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2,000%, ensuring your body absorbs it effectively. To amplify its benefits, consider adding a small amount of healthy fat, such as coconut oil or ghee, as curcumin is fat-soluble. Drinking turmeric golden milk in the evening not only supports nerve health but also promotes better sleep, which is essential for natural nerve regeneration. 1. Green tea. Green tea, often celebrated for its health benefits, is a remarkable drink for nerve health due to its high levels of catechins, powerful antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. These two factors are significant contributors to nerve damage and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. By neutralizing free radicals, green tea safeguards nerve cells, maintaining their structure and function. What sets green tea apart is its ability to enhance blood flow and oxygenation, not just in the brain but throughout the nervous system. This improved circulation ensures that nerves receive the nutrients and oxygen necessary for healing and regeneration. Moreover, green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and reduces stress, which indirectly supports the nervous system by lowering cortisol levels, a hormone known to exacerbate nerve inflammation. For optimal results, it is recommended to drink 2 to 3 cups of freshly brewed green tea daily, avoiding added sugar to preserve its health benefits. Matcha, a powdered form of green tea, provides an even higher concentration of antioxidants and can be a great alternative to regular green tea. In today's video, we uncovered 9 powerful drinks that could transform the way you support your nerve health. These nutrient-packed beverages go beyond just quenching your thirst. They provide your body with the tools it needs to reduce inflammation, protect delicate nerve cells, and promote regeneration. Remember, taking care of your nerves isn't just about addressing damage, it's about strengthening your entire nervous system for a healthier, more resilient you. By making these drinks a part of your daily routine, you're taking a proactive step toward better health and greater well-being. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with those who might benefit, and subscribe to Healthy Care for more simple yet effective tips to improve your health naturally. Together, let's build a lifestyle that supports your body and mind, because your health deserves the very best. See you in the next video.